Hi students, let me take question number first of exercise 3.2. So let me see here. So 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz competitions. Here the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. So find the number of boys and girls. So let number of girls equal to x and number of boys equal to y. So this is number of girls and this is number of y, and according to first condition x plus y equal to 10. So this is the first condition, and second condition, that is the number of girl is 4 more. So we have to get here x minus y equal to 4. This is the second condition we got here. So for linear equations, graphically solution we see that x plus y equal to 10. So we put the value here x, y. So here you can put the value x and y. So and here also we take, so this also take the value for second also. So here you see x equal to, we can take 6 and y equal to 4. It means to say this condition satisfied here equal to 10, and after that you also take x equal to 5 and y equal to also 5. So you can also satisfy this condition. So you can put any numbers here, and if you want to increase of number, so you also increase that number x plus y equal to 10. It means to say the value of x it should be 4, the value of y it should be 6. So same this for second conditions x minus y equal to 4. It means to say here x equal to 6 we take and y equal to we take 2. So we got here 4, and here x equal to 8 and y equal to 4. So for third we can take here, for third x equal to 10 and y equal to 6. So same this way you can find out any kinds of value which satisfied this linear equation that is given first and second. So for the first linear equation the value is that, and for the second linear equation the value is that also. So student, let me see the graphically representation of these lines. So we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So here student you see you can put the value of x and y axis same this way, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So you can put the value and make a graph same this way, and any kinds of value you can put. So here for the first equation we put the value x equal to 6 and y equal to 4. So this is the x equal to 6 and y equal to 4. It means to say this is the first points we see here 6 and 4. After that 5 and 5, x equal to 5, that is points, and y equal to 5. It means to say This points lie here, 5 and 5, and 4 into 6. It means to say x equal to 4, that is, and y equal to 6, that is. So here you see, student, this is the condition. 4 and 6 for first equation, we find out the values, and after that we draw lines here. So this is the line first, and we take x equal to 6, that is here, and y equal to 2, it means to say that. So here we see, so this point we see 6 and 2, and x equal to 8, is here, and y equal to 4, so y equal to 4 is that. So y equal to 4 and x equal to 8, it means to say that points is here, 8 and 4, and x equal to 10, that is here, and y equal to 6, is here. We can take here that 10 and 6. So this point is here, and this is the second, and this is the point here. So we can match this point, and after that you have seen the points which the line represents here, that is meeting point, that is this, it meant to say, and this is the 7. So the line here lies, it means to say x equal to 7 and y equal to 3. So this is the answer of this question, student. The meeting points, which are the common points here at this point, that is the y की value 3 and x की value 7. It means to say this points is, we can take a equal to 7 and 3. So we can put in coordinate x equal to 7 and y equal to 3 years. So this is the number of boys and girls. So here x represent girls. So girls equal to 7 and y represent boys. So boys equal to 3. And condition is that the girls is 4 more than boys. So the boy is 3 and the girl 7. It means to say 4 more than, which is also satisfied this condition. So this is the representation of two linear equations here given, pair of linear equation. So graphical representation is this. So same this way you can represent the second numbers, students.